crap.
That's a lot of snow.
Driving in snow, you'll do a lot of coasting.
Huh?
Avoid the brakes. Think ahead, look ahead, coast, avoid the brake. Start braking, start sliding. Oh, all those blades. I like Charmin. That wipes so good. On Monday, I ran away home.
Good, good. Yay! I got the machine gun.
Wow.
Doing? Wow.